too high. Pixel, yeah. They're doing Bed Wars. Oh, that's funny. Oh, hello, Iron. Chicken man. Pig Finny. Every Advanced Infinity Clubs. Snap, everyone. Okay. So that's the way to get all of it. I have to go fast. One more. TNT. Can I get it? Yep. Sorry, it was cheaper. Okay, we're gonna attack the blue team's base with my TNT. Hopefully we can defend it. Sorry, I'm not talking much. What are you doing? Okay, I'll quickly get this. A whole lot more. Deposit all of this. Oh. Thank you, Piggy Man. Let's go. So warmed up. Right. Oh, sorry, Pigman. I have to get your bed. Sorry, guy. Listen. You let me do it, it'll be less painful. Yes, lad. Yeah, they're on me with this, we're going all out. Well, I didn't get the bed, but I think I helped that. I helped that a lot. Oh! Whoa! We're geniuses. I'm a genius. You're welcome. The last two. Let's go. They can't defeat the war. My idea is genius. Let the last guy have like his fun. There's four of us and well, one of him, so you don't have to fight him. Or unless I get the finishing blow. And I did. Dead. Just I died. Radica. We are the winners. Excuse me? Hey, so if we destroy their bed, you saw it. But, oh, is it like? Oh, I think they have like destroy the bed and they have one more respawn, maybe. Oh, okay, that's fair enough. Fair enough. Wait, oh, really? Okay. We should protect our bed now. That's what happened. Because they're gonna get a bit nifty. So at the front, I'm going to more average defenses, as you do. And that's gonna give it more defense. Now, I did 3 more bits of give it up, go! Just so I can get the TNT rush. Actually, there's no really point of that. We already. Oh, yeah. I had 8. Okay. Boom. Bam. What a wham pow. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah. 30. So this is going to give us very good protection indeed. Oh, they already have. Moving up. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going to quickly put these defenses. They're just random, so they wouldn't know. Shoot, boy, it's always in one spot, so that's a bit stupid of me. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna kill the last 2 guys remaining. Oh, you genius! He's genius. I hope I have enough. Let's plan this from the beginning. Wait. There's actually a waste, but still. Oh, the last guy. Oh, I'm gonna kill you, boy. What happened? How did he? I need a fireball. Hasta la vista. That planned differently in my head. Right, we need to do other a la vista. Okay, we have. Okay, yeah. Good. Easy clips. Oh, that was weak. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, come on. We just need that. Oh, yeah. Get the other one. Okay, I need to line up my shots. So I'm gonna go up here. Oh, we're really one though, but let's place this. I gotta place it! Oh yeah! What, we won? Good, okay, yep, why not other one? Why not? My genius. We have won because of my genius. Yeah, we won. We won. Because of my idea, yeah. Hope you're on my team and you win. But if you're not, you shall die again. And I shall take the finishing blow. Do you feel me? Both feel me. Okay, what about you? Deborah. Or, is that Thanos? Yes, I know. We won. Yeah. Okay, wait, so we got 4 of us. That's bad. That's sad maths. 2 more, and we have 8. What? Clearly see at the corner. I was just working that out. Oh, those roses. Was that just like? Yeah, they're roses. Why do you have a rose in your eye? It looks like you have like 3 eyes and rose in one of them. One more guy. Oh, you can tell he's overpowered. He's a Luigi. Wally, not Luigi. That there you go. Yes, go. If you give me your Diamond God, I shall give you the win. And that is pretty good, I must say. Is he trying to destroy our bed? Come on. Come on. Do math. Do math. Come on, one more. Do math. I need one more. That's math. Come on, give me math. I got math. Ha. Za. 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 Need 4 more. 5 more. Come on. 1 more. 1 more. Come on. Show me the money. Show me the money. Okay. We're all kitted out. Oh. The Wingardium Leviosa. Right. Okay. I thought you little children built. Right. Okay. I have to build because I'm the civilized person. Fairly civilized indeed. I am civilized. Hopefully the blue team doesn't see me yet. I'm hoping they don't believe who's gonna kill them. They don't believe it's Pina Colada Cat because Bodhi does. Okay, because they can't. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, let's go. Yeah, one more, almost a stack. Got it. Make a fancy bridge. Right. Okay, they could be anywhere here. Okay, mate. I might have not enough for this, but I'm just gonna. That's high enough. Okay, we gotta build fast. You can't get me. Slow it down. Some people might think this is cheating. Oh, he died. Some people might think this is cheating, but it's smartness. Oh, I got it. Oh. The bed is exposed, but okay, I'm sad now. Me have sad face. You know how close I was? If that guy didn't have that is 40 bits of Finny, and he's 40 bits of 40 bits, like, I've got 41, but still, so much that he just wasted on that. So much. Okay, there we go, we got one more. This, boom. I can't get that anymore. Let's get a bit more. And, just in case we get a pickaxe. He will not beat me now. Who can't stop me now? Ha. Yeah? Hey guys, I need to kill this and my mom's bit. She needs help with the tea. I'm just gonna quickly yeet to this. To yeet. So close. Almost taste it. Break the bed or leave. Okay. There we go. Oh, bed's destroyed. You're welcome. Oh, well, I don't care. See ya, guys. Bye-bye.